Every enterprise we work with has the same problem. They're drowning in operational data, but starving for decisions. Dashboards sit unused. ORMAE Bot was built to close that gap. What you're looking at is the ORMAE Bot platform. It's domain-agnostic solution. One platform, any industry, any role. For today, we'll step into predictive maintenance, the most high-stakes domain for any asset-heavy operation. When a client brings their own data, it takes literally 2 steps. Step 1, upload a CSV or connect a live REST API. Bearer token, API key, all supported. Step 2, creation of one-to-one field mapping between user uploaded columns and existing schema. This is a one-time effort. Done once, it keeps the entire analytics layer clean and consistent going forward. On the left, you see the source schema, the actual column names from the client's uploaded files. On the right, the target model schema, the canonical feature names expected by our inference engine. The mapping layer bridges the gap. The platform's AutoMap engine uses semantic analysis to suggest pairings. A drag-and-drop interface for any manual adjustments. 12 fields, mapped in seconds. The platform has automatically detected file schemas, validated column types, and confirmed the minimum required field coverage for the predictive model. The user never writes a single line of configuration. Now we can execute the AI model pipeline, which represents the full MLOps stack operating under the hood. Data validation, feature engineering, raw sensor readings, maintenance event timestamps, and asset configuration data are transformed into the engineered features that the model was trained on. It is version controlled and registered in our MLflow model registry. The feature matrix is passed to our ML ensemble, which generates per asset remaining useful life predictions. Post-completion, the platform surfaces a live operation snapshot. Now we're in the full agentic mode. The ML model outputs powering the dashboard, and the conversational AI layer providing natural language access to every insight. The dashboard is a live operational intelligence surface that responds to natural language queries, recommends actionable, correlates across data sources, and supports decision-making in real time. The chat assistant is live alongside every dashboard view. I can ask what equipment needs immediate attention, and the assistant responds instantly, highlighting the assets which needs immediate action with lowest health score, which is calculated based on expected remaining useful life, RUL. This isn't a keyword search. This is reasoning over your operational data. The assistant understands context. It knows which assets matter, what the thresholds are, and why a particular machine is flagged. How much maintenance cost have we avoided so far? The assistant comes back, $84,316 in avoided costs. No spreadsheet, no analyst, no waiting until end of quarter. That's the ROI conversation, happening in real time, inside the same interface leveraging various cost information and predicted failure. Now I push deeper, I ask, how should I plan maintenance based on RUL? The assistant doesn't just retrieve a number, it reasons across the entire fleet and gives me a tiered action plan. Tier 1, immediate intervention, requires urgent action with no delay to prevent critical issues or failures. Tier 2, schedule within 24 to 48 hours, plan and address the issue in the next 1 to 2 days. Tier 3, monitor, keep observing the situation regularly without immediate action unless conditions worsen. And then the root cause insight. Fan degradation is the dominant fault mode across the entire fleet right now. Corrective cost, $42,876 per event. The recommendation, stock fan components, orient inspection protocols around this specific failure mode. ORMAE Bot is enterprise-ready, full with security features and access controls. It detects anomalies and recommends actions before a human operator identifies the problem. Post a discovery workshop, we can do a POC to production in 9 to 16 weeks. So are you ready to explore?